More than 85% of the working force hate their jobs. I don't even like to use that word. 70% of the people leaving jobs to go to new ones leave because they have no management support. Let's face it, you always have a story out there of somebody that hates their boss. Another hate word. I don't like that word. And then there's an even bigger percentage of people leaving their jobs not to go to another one, but to work for themselves. Why? Because we can now. You don't have to go buy a franchise or have millions of dollars to go start a business or have some kind of business background or experience. Average people like you and I can go start their own businesses online, and there's an education system out there that shows them how to do it and includes all of the business platforms that support that. You see, I was an investment banker for 25 years, and I was part of that big percentage that left their jobs to go do something that I could control. I owned my own business. That 70% that don't love their bosses, well, I loved my boss. It was me. It was the clients that were the problem, and I had to keep chasing business, and it never ended. And you know what? I was working more, earning less, and getting heart palpitations and not seeing anything end. And you know, I saw friends of mine, baby boomers, going back to night school, working all day, and then for years getting another degree to go right back into the matrix. There's no end to that. There are solutions now. And it's very uncomfortable because it's a new industry that most of us are not used to. And that's the internet marketing and digital industry that shows people how to create businesses online. Whether it's affiliate marketing, your own products and services, coaching your own business, it doesn't matter. There's a whole world out there online, and you know it because that's where most of us are searching, are communicating, are purchasing. And you know what? I don't have to chase clients anymore. People come to me because I get to choose what I offer them. I offer value. After 25 years as an investment banker, I quit. I wrote an award-winning, best-selling book. It was turned into a television movie. I have 4 more books out. Doing what I love, I launched a popular YouTube channel helping people change their lives. And I've created e-courses and more amazing things that I'm really passionate about. I'm earning money and I'm helping other people change their lives. How about you? Are you ready to make the change? You don't have to go back to school for years and be in debt and go back into the matrix that you don't love. You too can make the change. You don't have to be tech savvy. You don't have to have your own products and services. You don't have to be a business expert. You just have to want this and be willing to put the work in because this is a serious platform, not a get-rich-quick scheme. So are you willing to learn something that's going to put you in the 21st century and beyond? Something that's not going away. We socialize, we purchase online. Let's face it, this is a great opportunity for people like you and I. And the only decision it takes is for you to decide that you want to change your life. You should love what you do for a living. You can do what you're passionate about. We have artists, doctors, attorneys, stay-at-home moms, truck drivers, musicians. We have all walks of life that realize this is a great opportunity for them to express themselves, share what they love, and earn money. To be able to travel and do the things that you want, to spend more time with your family, to stop stressing out. I gave it all up. For what? For a life I love. I'm Landria Onkka, and if you click on the screen somewhere here, you can get a free video series. It's a workshop that tells you what's available. The whole platform takes you step by step through how you create an online business if you know absolutely nothing, which was the case for me. Isn't it worth looking into something that could change your life? It's never too late. I started as a baby boomer, and I just don't see it ever ending because life looks pretty good right now. I hope you'll join us. More than anything, there's an amazing community, the kind that I didn't have in the financial industry. It was very competitive and cutthroat. This is made up of like-minded people who support each other and really want to see you succeed. I'll be there when you go to the other side because I use all of my investment banking expertise to help you succeed. If you are one of the 85% that hate their job or the 70 that want to get away from a boss who doesn't treat you well, and you want to be that big majority who's leaving to go start your own business like I did, then click somewhere here on the screen, get your free video series, come on over, check it out. If you don't like it, you unsubscribe. But you know what? There's a new life waiting out there for you. And more people are getting online. The markets are only going to get bigger and better and stronger. Wouldn't you like to get on now and be a part of something really big and amazing? Get creative. Think big. We'll help you do that. Click here on the screen somewhere for your free video series. I'll see you on the other side. Thanks so much for listening and take care.